Hello, everyone, and welcome to Soulful Conversations with Modern Day Healers. I'm your host, Lizz Naughton. Today, as we celebrate the Winter Solstice, which is the shortest day of the year, I wanted to take a moment to reflect on the past year and look forward to this season of renewal that lies ahead. It's so easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life and forget to pause and appreciate the journey. Let's take a few minutes to celebrate our achievements, both big and small. As you take a look back over the year, what goals did you accomplish? Did you learn a new skill, start a new hobby, or maybe even just become a little kinder to yourself and to those around you? Whatever it is, take a moment to acknowledge your progress and give yourself some credit. The winter solstice is a time of darkness, but it's also a time of hope. Just as the days begin to grow longer after this point, we too can emerge from this period of introspection with renewed energy and a fresh perspective. It's a time to let go of what no longer serves us and to embrace the possibilities of new beginnings. Now, as we head into the holiday season, it's important to remember the true meaning of the season, which is love, compassion, and togetherness. Let's take a few minutes and connect in with the earth element, which is active right at the moment and probably will be for the next week or so. It's all about love and nurturing and self-forgiveness, self-acceptance, and loving one another. Let's just soak that in for a minute. And breathe it out. We're going to begin our beautiful guided meditation. So find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and allow your chair to support your body and relax completely. Just let go of all of today's hustle and bustle. If you've been experiencing stress, if you feel like there's not enough time, whatever it is, just take a nice deep breath in and let it out. Just keep relaxing and just really check in and notice how good you feel. And take another nice deep breath in, let it out. Now imagine yourself nestled in a cozy room. Perhaps it's by a crackling fireplace. The room is filled with a warm glow of holiday lights, and the air is fragrant with a scent of pine needles and cinnamon. Just take a nice deep breath in and smell the scent of pine and cinnamon. Notice that you feel a sense of peace and tranquility wash over you as you listen to the gentle sounds of the crackling fire softly in the background. Now imagine you're looking out a window. Let your imagination roam free. Picture yourself standing in a wide open space, and the sky above is vast and star-studded. The air is crisp and cold, but you feel a deep sense of belonging, connected to the vastness of the sky and the quiet wisdom within yourself. As you continue to breathe in and out, is there anything your higher self would like to impart to you? Just take it in. You're witnessing the energy of the winter solstice, the longest night of the year, and the darkness descends, but you know that within this darkness, a profound transformation is taking place. Just as the seeds slumber beneath the winter snow, waiting for the warmth of spring, so too does your inner spirit yearn for renewal. This is a time for introspection, for letting go of what no longer serves you, and for that deeper connection with your inner wisdom, with your intuition, and your higher power. Let's move deeper into the spirit of the winter solstice. One of the first things we can do is to embrace the darkness. It's really not something to fear, but rather an opportunity for deep healing and transformation. We all have a shadow side, and by finding the gifts the challenges bring, it will lift us up into a higher frequency. So by embracing the shadow and finding new ways to express ourselves that is positive and loving, we'll find that we are over time lifting ourselves up into that higher frequency. Connect with nature. Spend some time, whether walking in the woods, gazing at the stars, or simply observing the stillness of winter. That's how we begin to feel that interconnectedness to all things. Another thing we can do for the winter solstice and in the spirit of the solstice is to practice gratitude. Express gratitude for the blessings in your life, both big and small, and begin to appreciate the lessons learned, the challenges overcome, and the love that surrounds you. It can be as simple as someone smiling at you in a grocery line. By acknowledging and practicing the simple things, we very slowly become more and more authentic and deeper within our true nature. For the winter solstice and also going forward, we can set intentions as the days begin to lengthen. Set your intentions for the coming year. What do you wish to create for 2025? What seeds do you want to plant? Begin to imagine what that looks like, what it feels like, and what you will gain as a result of that. Begin by cultivating inner peace. You can practice mindfulness and meditation to cultivate inner peace and stillness. You can also connect with a quiet space within where your true essence resides. You can journal and reflect on the bumps in the road that we all experience. By putting those down on paper, you may begin to find solutions to those challenges. Go ahead and spend a few moments just basking in these reflections and allow the spirit of the winter solstice to guide you on your journey of inner transformation. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a few deep breaths in and bring your awareness back into the present moment. Go ahead and wiggle your fingers and toes and move back into the space and become fully present. May the spirit of the winter solstice bring you peace renewal, and a deeper connection to your true self. Please know that you are loved, and namaste.